Hey everyone, you're watching Shaline's Academy, and today we are here with the new topic that is India's location, its border, and its physiography. And that's going to be amazing because we, the Indians, should know more about its location, its border, and physiography because it's our country. So you should know it, right? Before going to start this educational video, I would like to thank all of my subscribers to giving me such a great love and support because it's been very few months and you have crossed this channel 300 plus subscription, and thank you so much for this great love and support, and please keep supporting it, and I'm going to be giving you the more educational videos. And if you are new on my channel, just go and hit the subscription button, and by this you can become the member of Shaline's Academy family. Okay, so let's get started. India is actually located in the southern Asia on the globe, or you can say on the world map, and it extends from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south and covers the distance of 3,214 kilometers from north to south. And it extends from Arunachal Pradesh to east to Dwarika in the west, which covers 2,933 kilometers from east to west. That is pretty amazing. An entire area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometers. That is why India is considered as seventh largest country in the whole world. Let's talk about its borders. India has 15,106 kilometers of land borders, and its coastline is 7,516 kilometers. And out of 29 Indian states, 5 Indian states have no international borders or coastline. And our neighboring countries are China, Pakistan, Bhutan, Myanmar, Afghanistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh. So let's talk about its physiography. Physiography is a subfield of physical geography that studies the physical pattern and process of the earth. Process like erosion, deposition, transportation of sediment eroded, brought and carried away by various agents, and gradation like water and wind glaciers. Physiography of an area is a result of geological structure and process that operates on the particular area. In this video, we are going to have the division, physiographic division, and one by one we will take over the each topic, that is Himalayas and northern plain and peninsular plateaus, Indian desert, coastal plains, and islands. Let's talk about the first division of our physiography, that is Himalayas. Himalayas are the youngest fold mountains situated in the North India. Its length is 2,500 kilometers, and this is the physical barrier which separates physiographical division from others. That means if Himalaya were be not there in the place, we have the same climate as the China has. Okay, so it is a blessing of the God that Himalaya is working as a barrier agent, that because of Himalayas we have experienced 6 seasons. This act as a good climate barrier as they provide obstruction to the moisture laden winds and cause rainfall. As I told you, it's a barrier because of which chilly winds from China cannot come to India because of Himalayas. Let's proceed to next division. The plains to the south of the northern mountain range are formed by the alluvial soil, which is from the Himalayas Peninsular River, and they cover a vast area of northern India. That is why it is called the plains of North India. And these plains are made by the river soil that is very fertile, and it became the one of the largest plain in the world because of the river soil. Let's talk about the next division, that is Peninsular Plateaus. The Peninsular Plateaus is flanked by the Aravallis mountains on the northwest and the Western Ghats in the west, and the dissected Eastern Ghat in the east. This plateau ranges in an elevation from 100 meters in the northern side to 1000 meters to the south. And this plateau is further divided into two parts, that is Malwa Plateau to the north and Deccan Plateau to the south. The soil in this plateau is not very fertile, but because of its black color, it yields a good crop of cotton, and that is called a treasure house for many minerals also. Now let's talk about the coastal plains. The coastal region is made up of narrow plains. The ocean lies on one side of the coastal plains while the peninsular plateau lies on the other. The region lying to the east is called Eastern Ghat, and region lying to the west is called Western Ghats. Eastern coastal plain is well known for its fishing industries in Chennai, Puducherry, Machilipatnam, Vishakhapatnam. And if we talk about the Western Ghats, it is famous for transportation service and fishing industries. The major ports and cities are Mumbai, Kandla, and Mangaluru, Calicut, and Thiruvananthapuram. Let's talk about the island. In other words, island can be also termed as archipelagos. A piece of land smaller than the continent and it is surrounded by water, then that condition is of island. A group of many such islands form an archipelagos. The Lakshadweep, the Minicoy Island, that are situated in Arabian Sea towards the west of India, whereas Andaman and Nicobar Island are situated in the Bay of Bengal. Let's talk about the desert. The desert of Rajasthan lies to the west of the Aravalli mountain range, and soil here is sandy and climate is dry and unbearable. Most of the time, this region receives less than 20 centimeters of annual rainfall, and hence it faces water shortage, and sometimes it remains dry, barren, and inhabited. Inhabited means when there is no population living that area. And due to the scarcity of water and unavailability of basic necessities, population of this region is very less. Date palm and caravans pulled by the camels are seen in this region. Northern Rajasthan is being irrigated now with the river Satluj via Indra Canal, and this canal has been succeeded in the turning point, and it turns the Rajasthan into the fertile land. And now the time has come for some interesting fact about India. Do you know the full form of India? If no, just learn it. That is Independent Nation declared in August. Isn't it interesting? If you really like this video, just go like, subscribe and share to your friends. Okay? And now it's time for important question answers with its objective. And these question answers are for standard 7.